The Mystery Method by Mystery is a book about how to meet and attract women. Here are some of my key takeaways from this book. Mystery teaches a plan to help you feel confident and talk to women. The book shows how to start conversations, make girls interested in you, and build a good relationship. The method has 3 steps: getting attention, building a connection, and getting closer. Each step has tips and tricks like telling good stories, using body language, and being a little mysterious. For example, Mystery talks about how to dress well, use eye contact, and make girls curious about you. Mystery says it's important to understand how women think and to practice a lot to get better. The book gives simple advice on how to approach girls, start talking, and keep them interested. He also explains how to handle rejection and stay positive. The Mystery Method is a helpful guide for anyone who wants to get better at talking to and attracting women. It gives easy steps to follow and can help you feel more confident and improve your dating skills. Whether you're shy or just want to get better at dating, this book offers practical tips to help you succeed.